if statements can be nested. So basically what it means is that we can have an if statement inside an if statement. So it might sound like a little matrix or whatever, but let's get into that. So let's say we have an if statement. Let's say if x is greater than something, like the code block will be executed, remember? So you can type in here output x, in this case is 5, so this code block is executed between these two if x is equal greater than 1, and we can like nest inside it. So we can do something like if x is greater than 4, go into this block. Now this block is only executed if the previous block is like, if this condition is right, we will continue here, and this is only executed if x is greater than 4. Hold on a sec. So you'll see that this code block is executed. We might want to prefer this style because it some people find this more readable. It really depends on you. So now we have like an if statement inside an if statement, and this is called a nested if. So of course you can get like a very complicated code like this. You could have an if and an if and an if, and get something like this. But of course this quickly becomes very confusing, so I recommend to don't use more than 2 levels of nesting. Otherwise you get very confused with the if statements inside if statements. I mean, for a human to read it gets very complicated. So try to reduce complexity and use like 1 or 2, like one if statement or one nested if statement at maximum.